Hello. So pretty. Very pretty. Nice to meet you. Give me a kiss. So pretty. Very pretty. I went to a salon. And I went to a salon in Kampala. And he's there. I was in a salon in Kampala, and a lady came up to me, and she was complimenting my daughter. Her name is Lydia Jazmine. Yeah. She asked if she could take videos and pictures of my daughter, and I was hesitant at first, but then the people said, "Oh, she thinks she's beautiful, she's smart, we know her here, she sings, love music," and I let her, and she took pictures and videos of my daughter. I was just complimenting her. She was very sweet to us. She told me, "Welcome to Uganda." You see the video and the picture? Yeah. And then, you see Grenade? He was watching me from outside. You see him, right? And there's Grenade. I guess he was watching me from inside. He sent his friend to get my number. But I didn't want to give my number out, so they got my Instagram. He sent someone to get it. I believe the person was Peterson. He was a short guy, his promoter. He asked for my number, but I didn't want to give my number. A few days later, he messaged me. I gave up my Instagram because I wasn't comfortable giving my phone number out. I had just come to Uganda. I was new and I wasn't comfortable. At that time, the lady at the salon, she said that she was saying how beautiful I was and that she wanted to introduce me to her brother, but that was a lie. Grenade paid this lady money to come and get my information. Basically sent Peter. I didn't want to give him the number. I said, "I can give you my Instagram." A few days later, he messaged me. We chatted for a while. He said when I come back that he should take me somewhere, take me out, we should meet. And I gave him my WhatsApp. Well, I had traveled to a small village in Mbale because I was donating there. So I was there for like a week. So after 1 week of being there, almost 2 weeks, then I met with him. June 12th, around there, June 13th. He just came to my neighborhood in Kalolo and met me at Cafe Javis. He asked to meet me, and I didn't want to meet him alone because I didn't know him. So I was having a little late lunch dinner with my family friends, And then I told him he could come there, and he came there with 3 friends. He sat at a table next to us, and I sat at my table. And I walked over from my table, and I went to greet him. He invited me to go and eat at Speak Munyonyo with some friends in like the backyard. He introduced me to like people named Derek, the MP Derek. He introduced me to some random people I don't know. And we chit-chatted. He even introduced me to his sisters. It was a simple thing. And then he used to take me to all his shows, his interviews. I would just be going around Kampala with him. We started doing everything together. We were like best friends. We went literally everywhere together. He even said that he wanted to marry me, and I told him I couldn't marry him because he wasn't Muslim. He said he would turn Muslim for me. On June 25th, he turned Muslim.
La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. Bannaye mufunzi n'ebitabo bazijja kuba bingi naye kano katabo ojja kusoma ka busiraamu. Ekifaananyi kya Bashiri kakasa buli ssaawa mundaba Bashiri naye mbagamba bannaye nafu tenna bwetto